Hello dear students, this is Mansi Patel from Samarpan Yan School and today we are going to study maths. In my last video, we have studied this mental maths 3 subtraction. A1 is done, okay, using doubles. B1 is also done, extend doubles, and today we are going to understand the C1. It is the easiest one. So question is 31 minus 28. Okay, so student, first you have to choose the smaller number between these two numbers. Which one is the smaller number? So 28 is the smaller number. Yes, 28 is the smaller number. So now we have to count from 28 to 31. Okay, so count 28, 29, 30, 31. Okay, stop. No need to count further because 31 is done. So you can see, student, how many numbers are there? 1, 2 and 3. So your subtraction answer is 3. Understood? One more example. 28 minus 25. So students, from 25 you have to count 28. Okay, so 25 is already here. So we need to write 26, 27, 28. Again 3 numbers because 28 here come. So 28 minus 25 is equal to 3. Understood? Let's take one more example. 42 minus 38. Student, please remember that you have to choose the smaller number. So smaller number here is 38. So from 38 you have to count to 42. So 38, 39, 40, 41, 42. No need to write, okay, because 42 is came and 42 is here, so no need to count further. Now count this all number 1, 2, 3, 4. So all these number are 4. So your subtraction answer is 42 minus 38 is equal to 4. And yes, here is your answer. Understood? Let's take one more example. This is the last one, student. Please. 5050 minus 48. Okay, tell me which one is the smaller, 50 or 48? Smaller number. Yes, you're right. Your smaller number is 48. So 48 is already there. No need to write 48. 49, 50 and stop. Why stop only 50? Because 50 is here and 50 you get. So how many numbers are there? 1, 2. So yes, your answer is 50 minus 48 is equal to 2. Understood? So this is all about it. Okay, student. So you have to solve this A to F, okay, in your notebook, so that your concept will be more clear. So mental maths 3 is completed here, students. Now we'll go for worksheet 3, that is the mixed fraction, mixed practice. Whatever we learned till now in the subtraction lesson, so you have here fixed practice. Student, it is the question 993 minus 859. Here is your answer after solving, and here you can see a one code, that is S. So student, what question, you have to solve all these subtraction, and whatever answer you get, here are some codes of that answer. Choose that answer and whatever code is written here and decode it, and you will get a word. Okay, you will get a word. Same thing for all. Okay, suppose if you subtract and that answer is not here. Okay, that answer is not in decoder, so it means your answer is incorrect. Please correct your answer. Okay, so student, I will solve this first one for you so that you understand what exactly. First one, you can see 993 minus 859. So students, 3 minus 9 not possible, 13, and here it is 8. 13 minus 9, 4. 8 minus 5, possible, 8 minus 5, so 5, 6, 7, 8. 9 minus 8, 1. So you can get a number that is 134. Now this number should be here in decoder. So 338, 417, 173, 13. Oh, 134 is here. What is the alphabet? S. So for this, my alphabet will S. Okay. So here is the first one. Oh, student, you can see here is one mistake in your text workbook, that is 124 is written over here. Instead of 2, there is 3. So please make correction in your textbook. Okay, because now 8 5 will there, so if we cut 9 and it become 8, so 8 minus 5 is equal to 3, not 2, because 124 is not your option. So it is, yes, it is just a type mistake, so you can correct it. 134. Okay, next is 200 minus 147. 200 minus 147. Okay, so first make the thing that is 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, and your first answer is 134. For that your word is S. We are going to fill this table. Now 200 minus 147 you can do in your notebook, okay, school notebook also, but with the correct manner. So here 10, 9, 1. 10 minus 7, 3. 9 minus 4, 5. 1 minus 1, 0. Student, your answer is 53. 53, 53. Yeah, here is 53. So your next word is P. Answer 53. Next word is P. Okay. Third question. 302 minus 129. 302 minus 129. Students, 2 minus 9 not possible, 12. Okay, here 9, here 2. Now 12 minus 9, 3. 9 minus 2, 7. 2 minus 1, 1. So here it is 173. Your next answer is 173. What is the code of 173? Yes, E. 173 for E. Your fourth, 630 minus 292. 0 minus 2 not possible. 10, 2, 12, 5. I don't think I need to explain this. Now we better know what is subtraction after practicing so many things. Okay, so 10 minus 2, 8. 12 minus 9, 3. 5 minus 2, 3. So your next puzzle is 338. Decode 338. 338. Yes, it is A. 338 means A. And your last question, 693 minus 396. Not possible, so it is 13, and it is automatically become 8. 8 minus 9 not possible, so it is 18, and here it is 5. Done. Now 13 minus 6, 7. 18 minus 9, 9. 5 minus 3, 2. So it is 297. Decode 297. 297. Where is 297? Yeah, it is K. 297 is K, students. So yes, our last one, 297 is K. Now you can see word speak, SPEAK. The word is speak. So here is your first word, that is speak. So another word is here, another word is here, another word is, you can see, and decode this, okay, and tell me which word you'll get or which sentence. There is an important message also, okay. After end of this you will get an important message. So yes, students, do the exercise. Okay, thank you.